Improv.
You both started out doing regular improv.
Yeah.
And how did you each fall in love with musical improv?
Huh.
I think that's like one of
That was
the.
a weird noise. I thought, how did we?
I have never gotten that reaction with that question.
I
Huh.
thought, well,
Yeah.
I think it's one of the benefits of short form, of comedy sports. I did comedy sports from '99 to 2012. Tara did it through 2014.
geez, I don't know.
Mm.
Around heart diagnosis.
Yeah.
I was like, this show's too
Too
fast
much
for
energy.
me. Yeah. No thanks. I did it through touring at Second City though. I did it for as long as I could.
Yeah. So a lot of games like Sing It, it's concise songs without having to worry about format, and you just get comfortable with improvising songs, and to put a whole piece together that seems like no big deal. It's just those songs strung together.
Yeah, and we've had a really good. I think because we did regular, unmusical improv. Is that a term?
Unmusical,
That's
yes.
not a term. It's really helped musical improv. Right now, we've noticed that people that do musical improv are so eager to do it that they skip past the scenic nature of the improv scene. Must be sound enough that you are allowed to sing, and I think that's been a big drive for us. Is that we really lean heavily on our regular improv training and design to figure out what can push us towards a good song, rather than covering up a scene with a song, trying to find out if we've deserved a song. Is kind of the drive of here, the show we do.
And what's so interesting about this, it's just you two doing the show here.
Yeah.
And most musical improv is a whole cast.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't know if this is true. We've just recently heard that we're the original 2-person improv musical. I don't know if that's true or not, but we've heard it from a couple people that they had never heard of it before, and that seems silly to us too because it's also with a musical director, so it's really 3, with Dave Asher usually at I.O. Chicago.
Yeah.
On the main stage, but it's been a really cool voyage because when we go to other countries, we can just meet a musician and they play with us.
Improv.
I know I'm the weakest link. I know you have a lot of hostility towards both of us.
Yeah.
And you're obviously way better than we'll ever be.
I know.
Yeah.
It's only a matter of time till I go solo, but before that happens, have some fun together and just be nice.
Fair enough. Yeah.
Nice. I don't know how that goes, man.
You don't know.
I don't know how nice works, man.
You don't even have to know how nice works to know what nice is. I don't know how a rocket works, but I know a rocket if I see it.
Solid, man.
Man, that is
That's solid,
you need to
man.
put that into a song, man.